Hey, how's it going? Today I will show you how to get an amazing and totally free adult application to your Firestick or Android TV. Inside they got millions of adult movies available totally free of charge. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings, click on that button right here with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and here you will have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then you have to go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Czech Republic right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for NordVPN. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, open it up, and then launch Downloader. Wait until it loads for you, and then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then here in that search bar, we gotta enter a code, which is going to be 28907 and 7. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now when the website has opened, you just need to scroll down a bit until you see a list of categories. There it is, and from the categories you have to click on that with the heart icon. You can see it on your screen right now. So click on the heart icon, and then a huge list of apps is going to pop up for you. And we're looking for that one called Incognito Play. So locate it and click on that application. Then an ad might pop up for you. If it does pop up, don't worry and just click on close or on X to close down the ad. So we click on X and now the ad should close. Yep, and the new web page is opened, which also needs to be scrolled down. So scroll it down for you. Gotta click on it and wait until the download starts. Usually it doesn't take too long, but it all depends on your connection speed. Then you have to click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV device. Then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll be able to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary installation files from your Firestick and save you some free space on your device. And that's really important because you don't really have too much of free space on your Firestick anyway. Now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. Then scroll down, and here at the bottom you'll find the app which we just downloaded. I just had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube may not like it, but in your case, of course, it's not going to blur. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN for free. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.